Hello, Boss World. Welcome to Boxing Block Center. Dillian, the body snatcher Whyte, has told Joseph Parker that he cannot wait to break his face and his body when they get to meet later this month on July 28. Dillian Whyte posted a story on Instagram yesterday where he told Parker that he should be ready to fight. That is going to break his face and his body. You know, I have been seeing clips of Dillian Whyte training every time. He always posted on his social media account. And Dillian Whyte, I must say, is in a very good shape. He's in a better shape than he was against Lucas Brown. And I think he will be even more in a better shape when he gets to fight Joseph Parker. You know, I don't know how this fight will go. I see it as a 50-50 fight. If Joseph Parker comes to fight, Dillian Whyte will definitely win the fight. But if Joseph Parker comes to boss, Joseph Parker will win the fight. Because Joseph Parker is the better boxer, in my opinion. He's got more experience than Dillian Whyte. Dillian Whyte, on the other hand, you've got to give the guy props. You know, he joined boxing late. You know, he came into boxing late and he's been able to work his way up. He doesn't have a lot of amateur fights, but he's a fighter. You know what I mean? He's a fighter. The guy, you can see there's a fighter. He's a kickboxer as well. You know, he's a former kickboxer. So the guy is a fighter. That's why I see this fight going like, let's say, for example, like I said before, if Joseph Parker boss against Dillian Whyte, he will defeat Dillian Whyte because he's the better boxer, because he has the better footwork. But if he comes to fight, I think Joseph Parker might see himself, you know, on the floor for the first time. You know, Dillian Whyte is a brawler. You know, he's a fighter. He's a guy who wants to come forward and fight him, match him man to man. You saw that against AJ. So he was able to withstand AJ's punches, a lot of AJ's punches, until the 7th round. So let's see what happens, guys. Dillian Whyte is in a beast mode right now, and this fight should be a very good fight. But I don't know why the fight isn't getting enough exposure. I know the hype he is supposed to get because it's a great fight on paper and everything. But this Wilder and Joshua saga has overshadowed, you know, this fight. But hopefully in the next few years, you know, we start seeing more about this fight on social media, not just about Wilder and this stupid demands. That's it for now, guys. Like the video, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, everyone.
Sabon Records, Cognize, PRO Akim, Angelina, nimzuko umependa au umepagawa? Napenda tam-tam, chocolate, nazunguka downtown, never late, sexy dume, ae mama. Ulisema nilipe nisepe nikaenda mama. Manoti no intention no nimesha mwaga. Waseme umenilisha dawa nimesha mwaga. Chukuma Angelina, ni mzuko umepanda au umepagawa? Chukuma Angelina, ni mzuko umepanda au umepagawa? Nasema kula kwa macho kama wezi nunua. Oh yes, oh yes. Unapenda vilivyong'aa, inabidi ufanye bidii. No less, no less. Na hii life ni kujipara mwenyewe. Hey, no stress, no stress. Napenda tam tam chocolate, nazunguka downtown. Never let sexy dume. Ae mama, ulisema nilipe nisepe nikaenda mama. Manoti no intention, no nimesha mwaga. Wasema umenilisha dawa, nimesha mwaga. Chukuma Angelina, ni mzuko umepanda au umepagawa? Chukuma Angelina, ni mzuko umepanda au umepagawa? Mambo mengine inabidi ucheke, aha, na mengine unabidi ufeki. Hivyo uptown girl, nywele samba looking so fly. Na kwenye benki hauna hata chenji. Eti wenye Messi kwenye neti. Na kwenye benki hauna hata chenji. Napenda tam tam chocolate, nazunguka downtown. Never let sexy dume. Ae mama, ulisema nilipe nisepe nikaenda mama. Manoti no intention, no nimesha mwaga. Wasema umenilisha dawa, nimesha mwaga. Chukuma Angelina, ni mzuko umepanda au umepagawa? 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 Bon record, 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 bon record.